up guys, Miles here with Iconic Pools. Today we're doing a hydroblast of existing safety grip coping. We're doing the same process as we would be with glass bead cleaning. We started off with glass bead media, trying to be careful, but this stuff's old, hard, and we just switched over to silica sand right away, number 20 silica sand, and it's taking it great. We're removing some of these stains, trying to bring it back to its original color as close as possible. So a lot of people will do an acid wash on this coping to try to remove the stains, but sometimes that's a little bit too harsh, too aggressive. It's going to pit it. It's going to show too much aggregate. So we use a hydroblast wet blast process that's going to help clean these stains, but not be too aggressive. It's going to take off just the stains without taking off any material. So we start off with the glass bead, and if that's not strong enough, we'll move over to a silica sand, and the end result is night and day from when we started. After the blasting process is done, we like to put on a sealer, but it's a natural look sealer. It's not going to change the appearance. It's not going to make it look wet or glossy. It's just going to give us that protective barrier that we need to help these stains, prolong these stains from coming back. There's many uses that hydroblast, wet blast can be done. We could be doing tile. We could be doing concrete deck, coping, natural rock, fake rock, anything that's got stains or calcium is going to be your best bet for the hydroblast process. And here we're just trying to show you all the different options that we offer.